what you need. AVoIPoE, I'm here with my good friend Brett.
Hey mate, how you doing?
The Hitman. How you doing,
That's
Brett?
me. Yeah, can't complain, mate. Good show.
Tell me about your Wi-Fi range. We know all about your network switches. They're the industry standard for AV.
Yep.
But we don't know so much about the Wi-Fi range. Tell me about that.
Yeah, so basically we push into the Wi-Fi 7 space. So many benefits behind that, especially, you know, places like this where there's a lot of people, a lot of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi 7 gives you that whole extra 6 gigahertz frequency, which just means a whole lot more airspace for a whole lot more devices. You know, it's the reason why you connect to our Wi-Fi here at the stand, you actually get connection. Just more powerful, faster, more devices, really.
Brilliant. And how does that complement the network switch side of things?
Yeah, so even whether you're doing IT or AV, you know, in IT, naturally the Wi-Fi is quite a heavy side of it. But with AV, more and more devices are being controlled wirelessly. So even just needing it for control, again, in a busy space like this, on a, you know, your normal 5 gigahertz or 2.4 gigahertz, even control traffic, how small that it is, you're not going to get it through. So having Wi-Fi 7, even for control, and then of course for IT, is a huge benefit.
And being able to kind of configure all of that, what's the pane of glass like that? What's that to work?
So currently that's cloud managed, so via something called NETGEAR Insight. However, in the pipeline, we're able to actually, we'll be able to add the Wi-Fi 7 access points onto Engage, which is our AV controller, which is perfect for control, you know, so you can see and deploy all your AV networks, as well as add your access points and manage that aspect as well.
So from an installation point of view, it just streamlines the way that people can configure, set everything up, you know, do it all via the cloud. It just makes things so much more seamless.
Pretty much. You know, the whole idea is to make the experience from out the box to deployed and working as simple and easy as possible. And then anyone can do it. You don't have to be a specialist or anything to be able to achieve the best results.
Brett, one other question. Tell me a bit more about South African cuisine, because it's a fascinating subject.
Oh, yeah.
And it's something I know is close to your heart.
Oh, yes.
What's your favorite? What do you like cooking?
So I love something that's called a braai. So basically, it's like a barbecue, but it's not. We cook it over an open flame. Strictly you should be using wood, not charcoal, but it's also the atmosphere behind it. So, you know, whatever you throw on there, whether it's meat, vegetables, you know, whatever it may be, it's the whole experience behind it. That's my favorite. But because we've got so many international influences, you know, there's just tons of different choices from Cape Malay curries to meat to vegetable dishes. There's anything falls under that.
Fascinating. We've got to go to your favorite restaurant in South London. We're going to go there one day.
Oh yeah, must do.
Brilliant.
For
That's
sure.
all, Brett.
Cheers,
Take
mate.
care, mate.
Yeah.